Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given series for x without using a geometric series formula. And here's our problem. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus all the way to x equals to 2046. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and let's go ahead and observe this series. We can see that if we multiply this previous term by 2, we are going to get this next one. Let's multiply again 4 by 2, we are going to get 8, and likewise we are going to multiply by 2 across the board. So no wonder such kind of series is called geometric series with a common ratio of 2. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And since we are not supposed to be using a geometric series formula, so we are going to think outside the box. So let's go ahead and multiply this equation 1 by 2 on both sides. I'm going to multiply the left hand side by 2 first. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is going to be 16. If we keep multiplying, we are going to get all the way to x plus this last time when you multiply this one is going to be 2x equals to, and now we are going to multiply the right hand side by 2 as well. So that is going to give us 4092. And here I have copied down this series nicely over here. Let me go ahead and call this as our equation number 2. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and subtract equation 1 from this equation 2. And here I have copied down our equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now let's go ahead and subtract equation 1. So I'm going to change the sign. This become -2, -4, -8, all the way. These all signs are going to become negative across the board. And now we can see this +4 and -4 is gone. This +8 and -8 is gone. This +16 and this next number is -16. They are gone. Likewise, this +x and -x is gone as well. Therefore, on the left hand side, we are left with this 2x and then -2. So therefore, I'm going to write down 2x minus 2 on the left hand side equals to, now on the right hand side I am going to subtract as well. So that is going to give us 2046. Now we are going to isolate x, so therefore I am going to add 2 on both sides. So this cancels out. So we ended up with the 2x equals to, on the right hand side is going to give us 2048. Now let's divide both sides by 2. So therefore our x value turns out to be simply 1024. So thus our solution turns out to be x equals to 1024. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.